Hi everyone, today we are gonna make a calculator. For making this project, you need a keypad, an LCD display, a 10K potentiometer, a small breadboard, an Arduino Uno with its cable, and some jumper wires. Now, let's move to the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of our project. Now, let's move to the code. Now, this is the code of our project. The link of the code is in the description. Now upload your code to your Arduino. Now I have uploaded the code to my Arduino. Now let's test our calculator. Now I will add 16 plus 8. So now it is showing 24. Now let's check in subtraction. So now it is showing 12. Now let's see the same numbers in multiplication. So now you can see that it is showing 128. Now let's see it in division. So now it is showing 3. So now our calculator is working. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos.